He picked up a new case. You picked up a new case.
Uh-oh, looks like Mr. Gonzalez just can't stay away from trouble. Another new case, another courtroom showdown. But this time, the judge's patience might have run out. Let's see how this unfolds.
Tell me there was a no driving affidavit in place. He's charged with failure to stop and give information, and now he's picked up a racing case. Tell me that we had ordered him not to drive.
Yes, Judge, on the previous case, there wasn't a driving affidavit.
Notice how the judge brings up a no driving affidavit? That's a legal order. Basically, if the court tells you not to drive and you still do, you're playing with fire. Would you risk jail time just to hit the road again?
You promised me that you weren't going to drive. Mr. Gonzalez, now you've picked up a racing on a highway. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. Officers observed two vehicles accelerating at a high rate of speed from 70 miles per hour to 85 miles per hour in an attempt to outgain each other. The officer initiated a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle.
Caught red-handed, racing at 85 mph with no license or registration? This isn't just reckless. It's stacking up multiple charges at once. Judges hate repeat offenders who break promises. You can almost feel the frustration building.
When the officer told the defendant that he was being stopped for racing, the defendant responded, "Yes, sir," and the defendant told the officer that he did not have a valid license or registration.
Is there a co-defendant?
There is not any co-defendants charged.
Vic, can I see that, please? I'm printing something out. What is that? What did you promise me you were not going to do? Guess what happens now, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yup, that tone? That's the sound of a judge who's officially done. He gave Gonzalez a second chance, and now he's about to throw the book at him. What do you think? Too harsh or totally deserved?
Guess what happens now? Did you say nothing?
I'm not sure.
Not only am I putting you in jail now, but I'm going to make your bonds high. And now you are looking at a contempt charge of 180 days in jail. And we are going to have a hearing as to whether I'm going to hold you in contempt. So now I'm going to file a third case on you. And you are now looking, if they prove to me that you were driving in this case, you're looking at 180 days in jail. Flat, day for day. Do you understand?
So,
Goes with you. I'm sorry, Sonia, but I'm setting the bonds at each at $10,002 each.
Whoa, $10,000 bond each. That's no slap on the wrist. That's a serious wake-up call. Bonds are meant to make sure you show up in court. But for a high school senior, this could change everything.
2539980. He will auto-populate on tomorrow's docket, and then we'll just go through the rigmarole. Or, I don't know.
He's gonna be able to pay that. He's a high school senior.
It's a damn shame.
Parents' financial situation is, I'll talk to them and find out.
Talk to the parents, and then, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You know, I need to make sure he understands it and that he gets it. But you swore to me you weren't going to drive, and now you're racing. Unacceptable. You know. I'm going to make it higher. He was wearing an Armani shirt.
And there it is, $15,000 bond, a frustrated judge, and a young defendant learning the hardest lesson in accountability. You can almost feel the disappointment in the room. Remember, promises in court aren't just words. They're lifelines. Break them, and the system will make you pay.
He was probably wearing a $200 to $300 shirt right now. 15,002 on both.
Okay, Your Honor.
And then we'll see tomorrow. We'll populate tomorrow. We'll talk again tomorrow. Reach out to the family, and you know, perhaps they'll come here and they can see how he is, and he can see that we mean business now. You know. Okay. Thank you so much, Sonia.